Hi everyone, welcome to Aspirant Thoughts. In this session, we will learn the current affairs related to science and technology for the month February 2021. SpaceX to launch Inspiration 4 mission to orbit. SpaceX announced that they are targeting the fourth quarter of this year for Falcon 9's launch for Inspiration 4, the world's first all-commercial astronaut mission to orbit. Inspiration 4 is the world's first all-civilian mission to space. The mission will be commanded by Jared Isaacman, the founder and chief executive officer of Shift4 Payments and an accomplished pilot. It will raise support for St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. Dragon will do a soft water landing off the coast of Florida. SpaceX became the first private company to launch people into orbit, a feat achieved by the US, Russia, and China. Falcon 9 is the world's first orbital class reusable rocket. The Dragon spacecraft is capable of carrying up to 7 passengers to and from Earth orbit and beyond. It is the only spacecraft currently flying that is capable of returning significant amounts of cargo to Earth and is the first private spacecraft to take humans to the space station. First commercial rocket powered by biofuel successfully launched. US-based startup Blue Shift Aerospace has successfully launched its first rocket prototype called Stardust 1.0. The first commercial booster rocket powered by biofuel from many. Stardust 1.0 is a small sounding rocket powered by a bio-derived solid fuel to act as a test bed for future Blue Shift rockets capable of launching tiny nanosatellites. It stands 20 feet tall and carry 8 kilos of payload. It reached a height of 4,000 before it parachuted back to Earth. Blue Shift has been working on Stardust 1.0 since 2014. Sasha Derry is the CEO of Blue Shift. NASA lands its fifth rover, Perseverance, on Mars successfully. Perseverance is also carrying a small helicopter named Ingenuity, which NASA plans to use to attempt the first flight on the planet. Perseverance was launched on 30th July 2020 from Cape Canaveral, Florida. As of February 2021, there have been 5 successful robotically operated Mars rovers: Sojourner, Opportunity, Spirit, Curiosity, and Perseverance. Sojourner is robotic Mars rover launched on 4th December 1996. Opportunity rover is also known as MER-B and MER-1 and nicknamed OP was launched on 8th July 2003. Spirit rover was launched on 10th June 2003. Curiosity was launched on 26 November 2011. ISRO launched 19 satellites, including Amazonia 1 of Brazil, into space. The 44-meter high PSLV C-51 rocket with 2 solid side boosters lifted off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on the Indian island of Sriharikota. The mission was the first dedicated commercial mission of New Space India Limited (NSIL), a Government of India company under the Department of Space. NSIL was established on 6 March 2019. Mr. Narayanan G is the chairman and managing director of NSIL. The first launch of 2021 took place on the day when Sir C.V. Raman announced his revolutionary discovery of the Raman effect in 1928, that is 28 February 1928. For Raman effect, physicist C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. Bengaluru scientists developed material for efficient conversion of waste heat into electricity. Silver antimony telluride is a material that would be able to convert the heat into electrical energy so that the other processes can be undertaken. This feat has been achieved by Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, JNCASR. It was established in 1989. Chintamani Nagesha Ramachandra Rao, also known as CNR Rao, is the founder of Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. CNR Rao received the following Indian governmental honors: Padma Shri in 1974, Padma Vibhushan in 1985, Karnataka Ratna by the Karnataka State Government in 2000, Bharat Ratna in 2014. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to develop high-altitude pseudo-satellite. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company founded in 1940 and headquartered in Bengaluru. It is governed under the management of the Indian Ministry of Defense. HAL is developing a futuristic high-altitude pseudo-satellite with a startup company, a first of its kind in the world. The satellite will be solar energized and become a big asset flying unmanned around 70,000 feet for 2 to 3 months. The technology is named Combined Air Teaming System, CATS. The project will mainly include a mothership and 4 autonomous unmanned aerial vehicles known as CATS Warrior. Bellatrix Aerospace is building space taxi for satellites. Bellatrix Aerospace is an Indian private aerospace manufacturer and small satellite company headquartered in Bangalore. The company was established in 2015. Rohan M. Ganpati and Yashas Karanam are the founders of Bellatrix Aerospace. It is building a vehicle that will work as a taxi in space. The orbital transfer vehicle will transfer small satellites into multiple orbits. It is expected to launch to low Earth orbit in 2023 on Vikram rocket of Skyroot Aerospace, a Hyderabad-based rocket startup. Bellatrix Aerospace also plans to launch its own rocket named Chetak in 2023. Former Indian Space Research Organisation scientists Pavan Kumar Chandana and Nagabharat Dhaka are the founders of Skyroot Aerospace. First hydrogen fuel bus service to start on Delhi-Jaipur route. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, NTPC Limited, is planning to start a premium hydrogen fuel bus service on Delhi to Jaipur route. This will be the first FCEV bus service used for intercity commute. NTPC was founded on 7th November 1975 and its headquarters is situated at New Delhi. Current NTPC chairman and MD is Gurdeep Singh. P-Beam Electric launched Pimo e-bike. IIT Madras incubated startup P-Beam Electric has recently launched a sustainable electric two-wheeler. The product has been unofficially named as Pimo. It has been developed for personal and commercial use. It does not require a license or registration. The cost of a bike is fixed at 30,000. Its battery can charge faster than a smartphone. Thanks for watching. This session has ended now. You can watch our upcoming videos for other topics. Just remember, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. If you like our video, please subscribe, press the bell button, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.